The Tab S7 Plus now comes with a massive 12.4-inch display with 120Hz refresh rate. The battery is now 10,090 mAh with 15 or 45 watt charger in the box. The processor is the main thing when it comes to a tablet which replaces a laptop. The Tab S7 Plus is coming with a new Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset. Somewhat a good news is you might get the Galaxy Beans or the Buds Plus if you pre-order in specific regions only. While making this video, this leak popped up. While comparing the two S Pens, the Tab S7's pen looks much like the Tab S6 Lite's pen. Also, this pen is just the rumored one and not the official confirmed one. Like the Tab S6, we can also expect the Tab S7 to magnetically charge or connect to the keyboard. The Tab will carry the Android 10 with One UI 2.5 skin out of the box. Camera. Nothing different than the Tab S6, but it comes with an extra flashlight with 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel in the back and a 8 megapixel selfie camera positioned in front of the horizontal side for convenience. That's all for now, and I'm waiting for the pre-order because we are doing an unboxing likely in our channel. So do subscribe here and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss that video. If you're still watching this video, then I have a bonus for you. You have seen the bronze color of the Galaxy Unpacked event trailer. Yes, you may expect that color to come for the Tab S7 and S7 Plus.